Boldt HVAC is a trusted provider for furnace repair in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, offering high-quality HVAC services, including routine maintenance and energy-efficient solutions. Known for their 24/7 availability and commitment to customer satisfaction, they also handle air conditioning, heat pump repairs, and indoor air quality improvements. Are you looking for a furnace repair in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. How much does furnace repair cost in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337? Furnace repair costs in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337 typically range from $150 to $500, depending on the issue and required parts. For a more accurate estimate, it's best to reach out to Boldt HVAC directly. What types of furnaces does Boldt HVAC service in Burnsville? Boldt HVAC services various furnaces, including gas, electric, and oil systems. They also handle advanced solutions like ream furnaces, mini splits, and energy-efficient heating and cooling systems. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at a variety of locations in Eagan, Minnesota, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com.